Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's Russian word of the day, day number 64 in our series. Today's word of the day is butter.
Масло. Масло.
Now this word does actually mean a little bit more than just butter. As I understand it, it also refers to any oil that can be used in cooking. But if you want butter for your bread when you're sitting at the table, this would be the word that you would use. Now, as far as pronouncing this word goes, it's pretty straightforward. It has two hard consonants, M and L, so there's not much of a difficulty for an English speaker. Go ahead and practice it a few times and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you tomorrow with a new word. Пока for now.
Масло. 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 Масло.